don't do what we're supposed to do, we're sabotaging ourselves. And it's just, I don't know why we do that, but something that helps, especially if you haven't been doing this long enough, I'm not saying you need to get rid of your habits. I'm just saying to start noticing your triggers. Once you notice your triggers, you then learn how to have a better relationship with the food that you love to have. Does that make sense? Like, I'll show you. I'll show you. Okay? Do you see it? Do you see it? Okay? Something to do is sit in front of it. Look at it and practice self-control. Because after a while, if you do some of the exercises that I am telling you to do, I promise you, you won't want this anymore. Like, it doesn't faze me sitting here. I could sit here and look at it all day. And my favorite is Twizzlers. But like, I don't feel those taste buds anymore to want to have it. I had it on Sunday because the kids were giving it to me, shoving it in my hands, putting it in my jacket pocket, and so I had some because it was forced at me. But if it's just in front of me like this, like I watch them organize and trade, it goes away. I promise you, it's such short-term thing if you would just do some of the things that I'm telling you to do, because I don't know if it scares you. It shouldn't scare you. It doesn't bite. I mean, wouldn't it be nice to, like, I don't want to steal their candy. Wouldn't it be nice to open? I can't even open it. I can't even open it. I can't even open it. Oh my God. There we go. Wouldn't it be nice to just look at it right in front of my eyes and I don't want it? Like, you just learn how to have a better relationship with these things. So next time you want to have one, you can, and then not feel guilty about it. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, it's not forever. It's not forever, it's short term. You know what I'm saying? So if you, I'm not gonna be able to see you. I have to plug my computer in. But we should talk about this. If you still don't have self-control, like, trust me, if you would just do the exercise I told you to do with MyFitnessPal, just to see, it just does something to your head. Or maybe I'm crazy, I don't keep talking about it. I just, Brandy, I go in to see your MyFitnessPal and it's not always filled in. And if it's not always filled in, then like, I don't want to push you. I don't want to be annoying either. And so then I just like, go on to the next person. So if you were just enter the food, just to see it, it helps you with the self-control. All right, that's all I'm saying. I'm gonna lose you. This thing's gonna die. I'm at 1%. I need another charger. All right, I will see you tomorrow for cardio. If you have any questions, you know how to find me. Okay, post in the group, send me a message, whatever you need. I'm here for you, to help you, to push you, to kick your butt. All right? Okay, bye.